I DIYed curtain bangs for the first time, and I have to say, I love them. Respect my style, you're my truth. Okay, so I lost the packaging for this wig, but this wig is from Yolissa. They did sponsor this video. Thank you, Yolissa, for sponsoring this video. This is their HD lace wig. It comes with a pre-plucked hairline. The knots are definitely bleached. The knots are small. They're very small. And you get a full frontal. Oh my God, I love me a full frontal. Oh my goodness. And it comes pre-curled, okay? So I did not have to do that. So I'm just trying the wig on to see the fit. I got mine's in a size large. They do have different sizes to accommodate your head size. Now this wig does come with combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. So you can wear it glueless if you decide. But for me, glueless doesn't work. I need something to hold my lace down, okay? So I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and I'm putting that all over my lace and my stocking cap. I do not like to glue down my stocking cap only because I am suffering from postpartum shedding, and I do not want to put extra tension on my actual edges. Okay, so since we got that down packed, what I'm doing is preparing for my curtain bangs. Okay, so I seen a tutorial and she was like, you need to take your hot comb and you need to press back the hair because you want it to have the little waterfall, because once you pull it to the front to cut it, and I'm going to take at least the dimensions of like a 4x4 closure. Even though this is a frontal, I'm going to take the dimensions of a 4x4 closure, pull it to the front, twist it, and then cut it. And it's going to cut in layers. Now, that 4x4 section is going to give you enough curtain bang, okay? You do not want too much. You do not want too little. So then I'm going to take it and direct it over myself and then cut it so it could be cut at an angle. And then just go ahead and start doing a whole bunch of light layers at this point. Now, when you do curtain bangs, you are going to have to cut your hair in layers. So your hair is going to be choppy in the front. So definitely understand this wig is going to be a wig for curlers only. Got it? Got it. Okay, so now since I cut it, it was time for me to put it on. I did my makeup off camera. Now I'm just adjusting. I'm going to pull my hair back, and then I'm going to take my adhesive spray, and I'm going to spray my hairline in the middle first. I'm going to blow dry it until it gets tacky. Once it's tacky, I'm going to lay my lace down, and then I am going to blow dry it until it's fully dry, and I'm going to do that for the entire hairline. After the hairline is dried, I am going to cut off the excessive lace with my razor, and then I am going to melt it again off. I did that off camera, but I did use my makeup, and I put more makeup on there just to make sure that it's covered. At this point, the hair is on, and so I need to just make sure that my curtain bangs are curtain banging, okay? So I am going to do the water wave thing again with the curlers, and then I'm just going to curl backwards the front of my hair, and then I'm going to just hold it in my hand until it cools down, and then I'm going to do that for both sides. Mind you, I didn't have to curl the rest of the hair because the hair was already curled from the company. So then I was like, okay, let me just play with it and see if it's gonna like fall how I want to. And it definitely did. Definitely spray the front of your hairline with some type of spray. I did got to be free spray, and I was just loving the outcome. So what I did was I combed my hair back, pushed it forward, and it was just falling in place. I need those little clips that'll hold your hair in place so it can freeze in place. But she is bomb, and I love this hair. It's so thick. This hair is thick, okay? And I have not received any shedding or anything like that, but I did condition my wig with silicone mix. Make sure you condition with silicone mix, okay? So if you're interested in this wig and you love this tutorial, make sure you thumbs up this video and subscribe. So this is the first time of me trying curtain bangs. I'm not good with curling, and honestly, I feel like I did a really good job, okay? Anyway, this wig is full. Oh my goodness. If you hear kids in the back, I apologize. But this wig is full. The lace was very thin, HD. Okay, this is 26 inches. And I am not receiving any shedding. And I've been putting a lot of heat because I cannot, for the life of me, figure out which way to curl this. But what do you guys think? I think she's cute.